Good morning guys! Another day, another vlog. Nakafocus pa ako. Madilim pa kasi guys. It's 7 something. Alas 8 ang pasok natin today. It's minus 14 or negative 14 degrees. Anyways, yeah. Another long day. May work tayo after class. But it's a fun event. Wait lang, may kotse. So yeah, mag-a-assist lang ako later sa event. Of course, organized by the International Center. And yeah. And, ayun nga pala, yung work ko kasi with International Center is like 6 months contract. Renewable siya for 2 times. So, bale, 6, 12, 18 months yung possible na maging contract. And last week, nung nag-volunteer ako sa graduation, habang nandun ako sa graduation, naka-receive ako ng email. I got the extension contract na. So, yeah, na-renew tayo. Kasi ika 6 months ko sa itong December. So, maaga silang magsabi. Week before that pa, nagsabi na. Tinanong na ako kung gusto kong mag-extend. And of course, I said yes. Because, para ma-extend ko sila Vince at saka sila Zeb ng stay after ng graduation, di ba mag-apply tayo ng work permit. Number 1 requirement para ma-extend mo yung mga dependents mo is dapat may work ka. So, thankful, very, very thankful na nakuha ko tong work na to last June. And yeah, yun lang. And then, we'll see after. Okay, natawid pa tayo sa kabila. Good morning! Happy Wednesday. I'm here. Honest na. It's 7:47. We still have time. Dito yung building ko and may Tim Hortons din dyan. So, let's get some breakfast. Kasi dire-diretso ko after class yung event. So, I'm gonna be hungry. Yan, dito na ako sa classroom with
may ganyan ka pa.
I have my sausage muffin as usual and ice cup.
Aga-aga.
Wala pa yun. Hindi yan ice cup. Ice coffee lang.
Lamig-lamig eh.
Wala pa yung prof. It's 8:02. At ang mga kasama namin dito ay wala pa din. So, papasok kaya? That is the question. Ay, ano tayo today? Dinala mo yung red t-shirt mo?
Oo, nandito.
Okay. Ako nag-ano na ako. Sinuot ko na yung sweater ko para hindi na ako magdala ng t-shirt.
Ayoko nga eh. May ganyan ako kasi violet.
Anyways, ayan. Let's eat. Ayan, tapos na kami sa event. Sama ko si Lynn at kakain kami sa, hindi kita, Kinjo. Mag-ramen tayo. Perfect. No, it's every day is perfect day for ramen. And it's snowing nga din. A little bit. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, guys. Gusto kami kumain. Nag-iwalay na rin kami ni Lynn kasi magti-train siya. Pabalik sa school. May class pa siya. Ako magbubus. So, yeah. Yung bus stop dito. Diretso na sa amin. Let's go home. Si Daddy nagsusundo na rin yun kasi stress na. Okay. Dito na ako sa amin. Just walking and it's snowing. Ooh. Lamig. And yeah, look at that. Ito yung hindi maganda sa snow. Pag nagpuputek-putek na siya, nagiging slushy. Okay guys, we're home. Home. Pahinga lang tayo saglit. And then, maya-maya, luluto na ng dinner. Hindi ko pa alam ang lulutuin ko. Kung kailangan ko mag-defrost. Hindi ko pa rin na-check. I'm so lazy. I wanna lie down. I'm so tired. Excuse me, Cookie. May batang makulit. May batang... Oh. Say hi. Cookie, look. Who's that? Who is that? Who is that? Cutie pie. Huh? Boop. Excuse me. Bakit ka dyan? Anyway, so yeah. Higa lang ako saglit. I'm so tired. Okay, guys. I'm done cooking. Ano niluto ko? Another Vietnamese. Feeling ko every time na nag-vlog ako, niluto ko is parang Vietnamese. Keme-keme. Pero, yung last time was ribs. And today, yung isa sa mga favorite din nila, Zeb, yung parang caramelized ground pork. Something. Madali lang din kasing lutuin. So, and I found it sa TikTok. Just me. Magluto ako, tapos, ay, kumain na sila. And I'm gonna have mine. I'm gonna eat dinner in bed. Because I'm so tired. So, I wanna relax. I'm having, tada! Steak. Yung binili ko kahapon doon sa parang canteen ba? Hindi naman canteen. Kasi diba meron kaming School of Hospitality. Yung mga nagtitake ng mga hospitality programs like culinary and all of that. So, meron kami doon parang hindi naman siya, how would I say, parang grocery na din kasi you can buy raw meat, tapos you can buy mga cakes and pastries. I think I've mentioned this sa vlog several times na. So, yung mga cakes and pastries na binibake ng mga students, tapos binibenta doon. So, meron ding butchery. So, anyways, yeah, yesterday I bought, kasi mura yung presyuhan nila doon. As far as, yeah, I think mas mura yung presyuhan doon compared sa pagbibili mo sa grocery. So, kapag nakaka-timing ako na may steak silang benta, bumibili ako. So, ayan, I bought 2 yesterday. So, kahapon, nag-steak ako. Today, steak din tayo kasi na-miss ko ang karne. Like, yung steak na steak talaga. So, yun. Kain tayo, guys. And, I need to do some assignments after this. Pero, while eating, I'm gonna watch Netflix first. I'm, watching right now yung kay JonBenét. Cold Case. Who Killed JonBenét. Grabe yun, no? Tagal-tagal na. Pero, hindi ko alam. I mean, hindi ko pa natatapos. So, hindi ko alam kung na-figure out na ba kung sino yung pumatay kay JonBenét. 1996 ba to? 97. Which I was like in high school. Pero yung bata is 6 years old lang siya nung pinatay. So, I can't imagine. Kasi parang, diba? Das babae siya. Si JonBenét. John sounds like a boy. Pero kasi yung full name niya is JonBenét. And it's very unique. Parang sa kanya ko lang narinig itong pangalan na to. Anyway, ayun. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna end the vlog. Ano bang ma-share ko today? Wala kasi masyado ma-share today. So, yun. Thanks for coming with me. I'll see you on the next one. I'm trying to keep up with my vlogs. Kasi nakita ko pala na parang for this whole year, parang mga 30-something lang yung vlogs ko. Ano nangyari sa akin? Sobrang busy. Tapos sabi ko, magbablog ako hanggat at least hindi pa kami sobrang busy with the final exams. Kasi nga, sabi ko, magka-final exam na kami December 11 to 16. So, try ko mag-vlog pa ng mga kaganapan. And, yeah, I'm so stressed about it. Konting kembot na lang, guys. Parang I look forward to the day na wala na akong iisiping assignments. So, yun talaga. Wala na akong isiping assignment or anything na kailangan isubmit. So, mag-open tayo ng new chapter soon. Pero, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Good night!